What's up? What's up? Hello, hello, hello! Magandang pinagpalang araw po sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa Facebook. Ay, sa YouTube pala tayo. Sorry. Ito po ang reaksyonaryo by EI. Opinion, musika opinion na walang filter. Of course, walang filter. At ibibigay ko sa inyo, ipapahayag ko ang mga obserbasyon base sa mga singers or artists na napapanood ko rito sa YouTube at bibigyan natin ng reaksyon na tunay na reaksyon, fair reaction based sa aking 25 years or more than 25 years na experience sa music. I am a singer, songwriter, instrument player, me and my wife and our families as well. And yun po yung gagamitin natin, yung knowledge and skills na natutunan natin at yung mga pwede pa nating may share para matuto tayong lahat dito sa episode na ito. Noe Alpuerto po ang artist natin from Tawag ng Tanghalan, Grand Dress Back. And salamat po sa nag-upload ng video na ito. A big shout out to you, sir. Alright, and magre-react lang tayo just to help the community at sa mga singers po na nanonood ngayon to help you also. And sa banda, for us to have more information para syempre overall na rin when it comes to knowledge or sa IQ when it comes to music. And syempre, like and subscribe and share nyo po yung mga video na ganito kasi kung mahilig kayo sa ganitong video, nasa tamang channel po kayo. At sigurado hindi kayo mabibigo, hindi kayo madidismaya dahil these are all of my opinions and comments are just all honest comments and review lang. So wala pong problema. At like and subscribe of course kung bago lang kayo dahil malaking tulong po ito sa aming mga small content creators. So simulan na natin ang video ni Noe Alpuerto from Tawag ng Tanghalan, Grand Dress Back. Let's go! So yung pasok niya, ang galing, no? Strumming my pain. Ang galing. So may power. So napapansin natin na may versatility yung boses niya. Let's go on. She is good in using yung mga tuluhan. Halimbawa, strumming my pain. Yun yung mga naiiwan sa microphone eh. Yung effects. Ang sarap nun maiiwan sa microphone kapag may effects. Lalo ito, piano lang, tsaka vocal lang yung natitira. So, I hope I enjoy this video and for you guys as well, sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood nito. Nawa, ma-enjoy natin ito. Let's go. Sarap. I forgot to mention, halos nagiging kawig niya si Julia Barreto rito dahil sa makeup, sa hairstyle, yung kanyang hikaw, ang ganda ng gown. Because of course, Grand Dress Back na to. Kaya todo-todo na yung pananamit nila and also the performance. So far, what I'm liking about her is the way she interprets the song. Yung storytelling niya, I really like it. And nararamdaman ko na nervyos siya eh. Nakikita ko sa kanya. Of course, syempre, natural naman yan for these types of competitions. Talaga nakaka-nervous. Pero tingnan natin kung paano niya dadalhin. Let's go.
By the crowd, I think he's found my letter and it's
Siguro kung ako yung judge dyan, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung susunod. It's very unpredictable. But it's good. It's cool. Ayos yun para sa akin. Kasi it's not the typical na arrangement of song na parang alam mo na yung susunod, di ba? So ito medyo kakaiba. So let's see what can it offer more. Parang nalulungkot si Eric Santos, ha?
Kept right on, showing my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his words, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. And it went like this. He played this.
Yan. So, pumasok na talaga yung jazz. Halata naman kasi simula ng song, jazz naman talaga yung pindot sa tiklada ng pianista. Pero, yun nga, pinalitaw na ngayon. Hinighlight na ngayon yung jazz. So, let's see. Kasi kapag jazz, mostly, sundot piano lang, sundot ng piano, tas gitara, konti lang yan. Pero, ang nagdadala talaga, yung gumugulong dyan, yung bass guitar. Tsaka yung rhythm ng drums. So, let's see. Alam ko, may enjoy pa natin ito. Let's go.
He knew me in all my darkest despair, and then he looked right through me as if I wasn't there.
Ang kulang lang, sorry ang kulang lang sa performance ni Noe ay kapag jazz ang kinakanta, dapat mas crisp yung pag-utter ng lyrics. Diba? I heard him sing a love song. Dapat may ganun siyang effect. So may movement ng mouth, so yung resonators dapat gamit na gamit. And dapat yung lyrics talagang clear. So, doon ako medyo nabitin dito.
And they just kept on playing clear and strong. Strong as my pain.
Ulitin natin yung part na yun, yung mahaba, tapos biglang nag-growl. Yan, Sabay. Sorry. Yan. Very good. You did it well. Galing. Medyo nag-alangan siya doon. Pero natawid niya ng maayos. Itong part na to. Yan. Sino ba namang hindi maiilang? Kasi 2 beses nag-transpose. Sa tawag ng tanghalan kasi, marami kang bala dapat yan. Diba? So, dapat sure siya sa pasok. Malamang exhausted na rin itong mga grand finalists na to. And then, syempre, mind games na yan nakakapagod yan. So, yeah, it's part of that. So, let's go.
Killing me softly with his song.
Magaling. Mahusay. Salamat WSM Entertainment. Thank you so much. Well, balikan natin yung performance ni Noe. Yeah, like what I mentioned a while ago, nakukulangan ako sa pronunciation ng lyrics. Bilib na bilib ako sa mga artists na kagaya ni Faith Cuneta. Ang galing niya mag-pronounce ng lyrics. Yeah. Sino pa ba yung mga magagaling mag-pronounce? I forget na, not on top of my head, pero marami yan. Especially kapag jazz, kasi dinig na dinig yung boses dapat yung enunciation ng songs dapat malinaw. So yun lang naman, but overall she did well. Napakahusay na artist. Kapag kinuha nyo si Noe sa inyong mga events, gathering, so hindi kayo mapapaya. Kasi dun sa areglo ng kanta, sa arrangement ng song na yon, na Killing Me Softly, dinala tayo kung saan-saan eh. It's not predictable, kagaya nung original, yung song by the original artist. And it really shows how versatile Noe as an artist is. Napakahusay. And yun nga, ang galing ng Tawag ng Tanghalan. Napakahusay nila mag-showcase ng mga talent. So big shout out. And also yun. If you really enjoyed this video, you may hit the like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga videos na ito. Kagaya ng Reactionaryo by EI. Musika, opinion, walang halong filter. Salamat po sa mga nanood. Hanggang sa susunod na video. God bless us all. Goodbye.